Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to delete text in Photopea. Let's begin. I apply this step 1 and step 2. First step 1, click, select the text layer, press delete on your keyboard. Now see this delete. And step 2, click delete text with image. Click the selection tool, right click on your mouse, click magic wand tool and see this subtract select or multiple. I use this, then select the text, select tab, go to select tab and modify, expand, press 3. Okay, and right click, file, fill, find content error, click OK. Now right now press Ctrl D. Right now we can see this delete text. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.